Unit 5, Microsoft Word Documents. You are now ready to complete the 5.08 flyer assignment. I am in our course content in Unit 5, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom till I find 5.08 flyer assignment. I will click on the assignment. Once I'm in our assignment, you will see that there are instructions called flyer directions. Click on the directions. This will open up the flyer assignment. This assignment is worth 30 points. Directions. Congratulations! Your dream of being a restaurant owner has come true. Before you can open, you must create a flyer to help attract future customers using the skills we discussed in this unit. This flyer will be featured in the local newspaper and hung all over town. Your flyer must include the following: a restaurant name, an address. If you are uncomfortable using your own address, you may make up a fictitious address or use the address in the example over here. The date and time of grand opening, 5 items to be featured on your menu, a picture relating to your restaurant. Then add the following. Number 1, format the title to be bold, italics, and or underlined. Number 2, format the title to be bigger than the rest of the text. Number 3, include at least 2 different font styles, for example, Arial Narrow and Berlin Sans FB. Number 4, make at least 1 line of text a different color. Number 5, make sure the text is centered on the page. Number 6, spell check your document. Number 7, save as flyer _ your name and submit to the flyer assignment folder Dropbox. Your assignment will be graded based on this flyer rubric. And this is an example of what a potential flyer will look like. You are now ready to begin typing up your information. At this point, I recommend you actually resize your windows so that you can fit the directions on the left and Microsoft Word on the right. So I'm going to move my mouse to the edge of my screen, and I'm going to click with the double-headed arrow, and I'm going to drag in so that my directions become a smaller portion of my screen. And as you see, I already have Microsoft Word opened up on the right-hand side. I'm going to start a blank document. And again, I am going to resize the window of the blank document so that it fits next to my directions. I am now ready to begin typing my information. I'm going to type and as I'm typing, I will pause the video. You may also type your information. I will return after I'm done typing, and I will show you how to format. My document now has the key elements necessary as listed in the directions. I am now ready to do the formatting. Format the title to bold, italics, and or underline. Format the title to be bigger than the rest of the text. Include at least 2 different font styles. Make at least 1 line of text a different color. Make sure the text is centered on the page. My flyer is created. I have a title, an address, a date, and a time. My items must be bulleted. I will go ahead and select my 5 items, and I will turn on the bulleted list. My title is formatted with bold, italics, or underline. I used bold on my title. My title size is larger than the rest of my document. I have used at least one different color. My text is centered. I do not have any spelling errors. My flyer is on one page. The last thing I need to do is insert a picture. I will resize the picture by using the corner to drag the picture to size. At this point, I also feel as though I might change the font size to some of my other text. This is your choice. Also looking at it, I might add additional color to my flyer just to make it a little more eye appealing. And you will see that I have completed all the steps in my rubric. When I show this as my main screen and I bring my flyer to one page, you will see the finished product. I'm now ready to save this. I will go to File, Save As, and I will go to my Computer Literacy folder, and I am going to save this as flyer underscore my last name. I am now ready to submit this to the course. So I'm going to go back into our course. And you can submit to the assignments folder in our course content.